Oh my god. She is fast.
No, she jumped right here.
Don't you do it.
Last time.
Come here, Moxie.
Monkey.
Is it still warm out?
Don't you do it.
Yeah, it's so warm out.
Don't you? She's staring at. Bro, I feel like she's gonna. Every time she stares at my camera, I feel like she's gonna leap on it.
Oh, you're filming?
She leaps on everything I touch. She jumps on everything I touch.
That's what he said.
Alright. Where are we going?
We're going over there. But there's lots of poop over here, so let's go over here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's go on the sidewalk. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Why is it all so dirty? I feel like there's a body in there.
Yeah, that blue basket, I think, no, box, that blue box, me and Calder always feel like there's gonna be a dead body in there. Will you help me hide a body? Dang moment.
Butt looks purple.
She said,
Moxie is coming out.
That's me when I'm in the middle of a game on Fortnite and then I just have to go so bad. That's me.
Alright. Your hand's gonna be all black. It's fine.
Yeah, you can just wash your hand.
That's got a mosquito bite.
What?
What? Imagine if she pooped in the pond. The pond. How'd you know?
Want to take Moxie around?
Come on. Come on, Moxie. Don't you dare go. Get away from Calder. Here, Moxie, get away from him. He's gonna hit you with the ball. You're gonna get hit with a ball, Moxie. She's just exploring. If she goes up that hill, oh, I see a birdie. I see a bird. She's like tracking the scent. Here, Moxie. Stop tracking your little scent. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Come here. Moxie. Let's go explore. Hey, don't go in the tall grass, Moxie. You'll get ticks. You're gonna get ticks. Stop, Moxie. You're gonna get ticks. If Moxie gets ticks, hey, Moxie, get it. Moxie. She's gonna get ticks. I just know it. If she goes in that tall grass, she's gonna get ticks. I just know it. Hey, Moxie, get away from the hill. Get away from the freaking hill. I gotta focus on the baseball. Moxie, don't go in the tall grass. Stay away from the tall grass. Stay away. Stay away. There are ticks in there 100%. There are ticks in there 100%. Got something crawling on me. Got something crawling on me. A second. These trees are moving like crazy. Ah! Almost knocked the leash off my. Almost knocked the leash out me. zoomed in. Hey. Get over. Don't you dare go in the pond either. Don't you dare go in the pond.
Oh yeah.
Look at all these dandelions, bro. Look at all these dandelions. Let's go explore. Don't let her get in the pond. Yeah, that pond is beautiful. What if I throw my tablet in? I'm just kidding. It's beautiful. Take Moxie out for a stroll. We need to catch more baseball clips. So.
The only time I would really use this type of catch is if you're diving. You ever dive to catch a ball?
This house is lucky. They get a playground, bro.
That went through your leg.
Bro, it is windy. It's windy out today. It is windy. Super windy. Let's go by the third grader over here. Should I go up the hill?
It is.
Should I go up the big hill? I'll do it. I'm going up the big hill. It's really shaky. Alright guys, it's really shaky. Yo, look at this big hill. Look at this thing, it's gorgeous. This is where we used to climb back in December when we would go sledding. Should I run down? Should I run down? It's really windy. I'm running down. Oh, I slipped. Yo, that was awesome. I was just running down the hill.
I got concerned for you. She was like, what is he doing?
I was running down the hill.
Go run down the hill again and see what she does.
Okay. Yo, she just loves nature. She just loves nature.
I bet Moxie would like to run with you.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna run down it again. It's very windy. Moxie's like struggling. She's like, the mountain is so steep. Those three tons, I almost slipped. Like, that's how steep the mountain is. Go, go. very windy out here. Oh, Moxie's going again.
You're trying to wrap me up, dude?
She's gonna. Yeah, down the hill.
Wait, can I? Wait, can I? Wait, I want Moxie, me, and Cohen. The one on here.
Go take her. I'll take your glove in your mouth.
Alright. Go take the leash. Let's go. Bro, Moxie shouldn't even be here. She beat you. Alright, Moxie. Come on, let's run. Moxie. Come on.
Wanna run down the hill?
Wanna run down the hill? Let's go. Moxie.
You're not pooping and peeing in there. That's someone's lawn.
That's someone's lawn. Moxie. Come on, let's go.
You go down there.
Moxie, you want a treat? Go, Monkey! Go! Oh my god. She is fast! She beat Calder at the top. She beat Calder to the top of the hill. She's so... Alright, let's go. Monkey! Come on! Come on, Monkey! Let's go! Let's go.
Oh, she's eating the flowers.
Yeah, she eats nature. She loves nature and she eats it. She loves nature and she eats it.
Can I ride my bike?
Sometimes she eats the grass. She acts like a herbivore more than a carnivore. Oh my god, that's a lot of cars.
I'll hold this. Chino. Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
Woo!
Nothing. Mr. B, give me my bike. Oh, this.
Oh.
Wow. He's not alright. Where can I ride it?
Around the parking lot?
Can I ride to the middle school? There's people there.
Not by yourself. I'd rather Colin go with you. Colin, do you want to go ride with Calder to the middle school?
You can bring the tablet and film.
Well, I can take Moxie if you want to go.
Hurry, because there's people there and I don't know what time.
But leave the tablet here.
Okay. So, bye guys. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.